Hi everyone, welcome back to Picsart 101, your crash course for Picsart Web. Today is all about stickers, how to make them, where to find them, and most importantly, how to use them. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get started in making our sticker. We'll go up here and click again to the new project. That'll open up our editor. I like to make the stickers in the square. I just think that that's a good format, so we'll click with an Instagram square to get started, just 1080 by 1080. In this case, we will actually be making a sticker from a photo, which I think showcases how easy it is to make here. So we can click in photos. You can either upload a photo like we showed you earlier, or you can just go to the free to edit library. In this case, I'm just going to select this cute looking dog, bring him onto the canvas, and we will resize him a little bit, get him a little bit bigger, move that dog into the center of the frame. So once the image that we want is the right size, let's then go up to the erase tool here at the top of the toolbar. Click erase. That'll bring us into this section here. And you can either select, if you're cutting out a person, you can select the person. In this case, I think the object version of this one will actually work better, even though I love dogs. So we'll click object, and that will actually erase the background of the image, so we just have the good looking dog here as our sticker. So we go up and press apply, and as you can see here, now the dog is alone on this background with no background image anymore. So if we want to size it up a little bit, maybe move him over here, you see on that layer in the layer menu that it's actually a transparent image with just the dog. But to make a sticker, we actually need both layers to be transparent. So you see we still have a white background here. You want to click on that layer. And to make it transparent, we'll go up to the color, click that option here for the background. So like you would be using in any other instance where with the slider here, we actually don't want to do that. We want to come over to this little checkered box section here. Click that. That actually makes the entire layer transparent. So once we've done that, that means that we are ready to now export our sticker because it's just the dog alone on two transparent layers. So we click export. We can make it, we'll name it dog sticker. Very important too, the file type is the PNG. PNG is the only type of file that will actually allow you to have a transparent background so that you can bring it in on top of other photos. So make sure that you've selected the PNG, and we can just click download, and that will save our sticker as a PNG. Now, if we want to see how that photo is used in action, that sticker is used in action, let's create another file. And let's say you're making a post for your small business on Instagram, and you want to use that sticker maybe for like a t-shirt comp or t-shirt mock-up for your small business. We could go back to the photos section. Then here you can type in, t-shirt, and see what kind of options you have. This one right here looks good. It's a nice hanging t-shirt, so you want to make that the size of the full canvas. And then our next step here is to then upload that sticker that we just made of that dog. So you go back to the uploads folder here on the left, come and click that upload button down at the bottom. You can see my dog PNG sticker is transparent. We want to click that file and go open. Once that dog file is uploaded, we can then click the sticker to add him to the canvas. You can see too, it's got that transparent background. We'll want to size the sticker down a little bit just to put him on the t-shirt. A trick I like to do here when making t-shirt mock-ups is once you have the sticker, go back up to the blend tool, click blend, and then see the option and move it down to multiply. What that'll do is just really make it look like it's a t-shirt graphic on the image that you have. It'll help with lighting and maybe some of the wrinkles or different light sources in the t-shirt. So once we've got that done, if this is a post that we want to do for our small business, maybe we want to add like a for sale or a new item dropping sticker on here. And what's great about the Picsart Web is that it has a library of free to edit stickers already. And just an important distinction though, when looking for these stickers, if you're a small business, you'll want to make sure that you click the commercial licensing tab instead of a personal licensing tab just when it comes to operating your small business. So you'll click apply, And like we said, we wanted, something to do with shopping or new, or sale. So we can scroll down here until we find a sticker that we like. This one looks good. So say you're about to post something about a new drop that you have. This is a new design that you've got coming out. And you click that image, and as you see, the sticker already has a transparent background, so you don't really have to make it like we had done with the image. So say you move your sticker down here into the corner, letting people know that you have a new drop coming. This is your new product. Perfect. You've got your sticker, you've got your t-shirt designed, and you've got your post ready for your small business. So the last thing to do here would be then going up to the export section again. We'll name this t-shirt post. File type, JPEG will be good, and posting to any of your socials. The file size is relatively small as well, and you are good to go. Just click download, and there you go. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Thanks for sticking around. Have fun making your own stickers, and I will see you later.